Pay off credit card with different bank? Quick answer, yes, you can pay a credit card from a different bank. You don't need a checking account with the card issuer to zero that balance. Here's how it works. Use your bank's online bill pay or a bank transfer. Add the card as a payee, enter the card number or biller reference, and send the payment. Processing can be same day on faster rails, but 1 to 3 business days is common, so check cutoff times to avoid late fees. Prefer automation? Set up a direct debit or auto pay from any bank account and let it run monthly. You can also pay through third-party bill services or retail counters where available. Think BPay or Post Bill Pay in Australia, or in-store payment partners. Those are convenient, but may charge fees and sometimes post next business day. Bottom line, different banks are no barrier. Just pick the method, mind the timing, and stay fee smart.